Moving on now, the Defense Industries Corporation of Nigeria, DICOND7G, says its production line will be fully functional in the next 3 months, capable of producing 60 million rounds of ammunition per year to ensure sufficient stock of weapons for Nigeria's armed forces. Chief Executive Osman Chana disclosed this while speaking with journalists in Abuja.
Established in 1964, the Defense Industries Corporation of Nigeria, DICOND7G, is responsible for the manufacture and supply of arms, ammunition, and other ordnance materials for the Nigerian armed forces and security organizations while utilizing excess capacity to support local industries. Although over the years, Nigerians have questioned the government-run defense corporation's efficiency in the manufacture of sufficient and modern weapons, considering the worsening security situation facing the country. At this gathering, DICOND7G is assuring Nigerians of its readiness to equip Nigeria's armed forces with the assembling and test firing of AK-103 rifles.
We have assembled the version that is used to be known as AK-103, which we call DG-103 rifles in our factory in Defense Industry Corporation of Nigeria in Kaduna. We finished the first batch. Large quantity has been assembled so far, and we have testified them, and we are very fully fulfilled and satisfied with the weapons that we have assembled there yesterday.
This platform is great for retired people to join us, plus to be civilian, up to 5,000 people to employee, and to train them for the new technology and transfer them outside the country and bring them back, and to be under the retired general and plus the government.
Some of DICOND7G's products include rifles, pistols, assault rifles, ammunition, mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicles, as well as others. Enemaku Ojochegbe, AIT News, Abuja.